girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. And bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 30 funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they all to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now the talk at the corner store is on TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this. Been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, Jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
Say baby, 'cause I had to mention, if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for premium lace wigs, and today I'm reviewing this amazing water wave unit from them. If you guys don't know this by now, water wave is definitely one of my personal favorite textures. I love water wave texture. I feel like it's the best curly texture for the fact that it's more so on the lower maintenance side. If you're one of those girls that likes to crimp their hair, then you're definitely gonna like the water wave texture, because that's really what it gives, but like a permanent crimp, if you will. You guys see how beautiful it is, and this is without any type of hair product. I have nothing on my hair. All I did was wash it, let it air dry, and then I applied the unit with you guys. But while we're speaking on that, as far as customizing goes, I did bleach the knots in this unit and I did pluck the hairline as well. So if you guys are wondering, yes, I did pluck this unit, and of course I bleached the knots because that's key to making sure that your unit actually looks, you know, more so on the natural side. Like, you have to bleach the knots, like, hello. But yeah, other than that though, you guys, I didn't have to do anything to the hair. It just looks so good. The lace in this unit is bomb. Like, I absolutely love the lace. I don't know what kind of lace this is though. I don't know if this is like transparent lace or if it's HD lace or if it's Swiss lace. Like, I don't know what kind of lace they use, but this is like, I don't even know how many times I've worked with this company, but one thing that I noticed about this particular company is that they have the best lace, like the best lace every single time. I really love it. Like, this is what it's looking like. And of course, you guys know I did add baby hairs, but like, even prior to like adding the baby hairs, it was definitely giving what needed to give, okay? But yeah, love, love, love the lace on this unit. It looks so good. And the parting space, let's talk about it. So as you guys can see, the parting space on this is ridiculous, and it actually goes back a little bit further. It can continue to go like way back here. The tracks start way back here. So you actually get a lot of parting space. Like I said, I can make my part deeper than what it is now. You guys see, this is a 13x6 unit, so you definitely get a lot of parting space. But even though it is a 13x6 unit, it's still one of those horseshoe lace front units, so majority of the parting space is in the center, and then on the sides it's like really short. It's probably about like an inch of parting space on the edges, so about an inch or two in the front. Yeah, and this is all of the hair up front. It's very, very full, and believe it or not, you guys, I thought this was going to be like 200% density, 250, something crazy like this. This is actually 180% density. So this is really, really full for 180% density, especially for a water wave. Like, I'm really, really loving this. And as far as the inches on this one, I have it in a 26-inch unit. And I will say the amount of parting space you get on this unit, the quality of the lace, the quality of the hair itself, this unit is such an affordable unit. And then y'all see what I did with my edges. I really did my thing on the edges today. I'm just gonna say that. Like, look how I love it. I absolutely love this unit. Definitely a personal favorite of mine right now. If you were to ask me what my favorite unit is, this is definitely it. Because, like, hello, look how pretty. Look how pretty, how full, how just gorgeous, with no product, no nothing. Like, the fact that it looks this good with like no assistance is like everything for me. Chef kiss. So I wanted to come up a little bit closer just so you guys can get a really good look at, you know, the hairline, the baby hairs, and everything like that I did with this unit. It's so pretty. Like I said, look at the texture. It just looks like a permanent crimp. Like, it's just so pretty. And this is my edges. This is what my baby hairs came out like. And then the same on this side. So good. It looks so good. I love, love, love it. And like, as you guys see, like, even this part here where I love, love, love the melt to this lace. Like, it's just a fire unit. This is definitely like a perfect vacation unit. If you want to like have people like stopping and staring at you, like, this is definitely going to be that hair. Like, if you're single, you need this hair. If you just want to feel like a baddie and just have all eyes on you, you need this hair. If you want all the girls to be asking, hey sis, where'd you get that hair from? You need this hair. Like, this hair is so fire. Absolutely love it. I have no complaints. And as far as the sizing for this unit, this is another reason why I said this is the perfect unit for me, because of the simple fact that the size for this unit, you guys, is a small. It is a true small, and it fits me so snug. And that is like amazing for me because I have a smaller head, so a lot of units tend to fit like very big on me. I never have units that actually fit like nice and snug, and this one fits so perfect. Like, oh my god, it fits so perfect, and I love that about it. So definitely a current favorite of mine. I know a lot of you guys are gonna like this one, so if you're interested in checking it out for yourself and picking this up for your, you know, summertime unit or your anytime unit, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Premium Lace Wigs. If you guys have not heard about them, I'm telling y'all, forget all the other hair companies that I ever talked to you guys about. This is the company that you need to look into. It be companies like this that be like on the underground that people don't know about, that have like the best hair. Like, some of the units that are like my favorite units are not from the more like popular hair companies that like everybody does reviews for. It's for like companies like these that like not a lot of people know about. So I need to actually do a list of videos. I'm gonna do a list of like my favorite hair companies, like, period. And then I'm gonna come here and then I'm gonna let you guys know the true tea. I'm going to actually wear this unit for a little while too, so I can let you guys know how I really feel about the unit itself. But I will say that this company is definitely gonna be mentioned in my favorite hair companies, and I'll let you know where their ranking is. But definitely one of my personal faves right now, hands down. They're killing the game. Like, I'm just letting you know right now, they're killing all the other companies off. I'm letting you know now. They don't have like, you know, really all the extras and all, you know, all that other stuff. They really just have good quality hair. So definitely check out that link down below. Shout out to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.